Whoa, look at that. That is amazing. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today I've got a fantastic, delicious combo coming. This is a really dead easy, simple recipe to make. In fact, it's beyond simple, but the taste, fantastic. A fantastic combination of cheese, tomato, pineapple and puff pastry. Superb, easy, quick, have it on the table, 20 minutes, easy as that. Okay, this starts with chopping a little bit of onion, a little bit of onion in there. And now we are going really small on the onion, really small, because it is actually going in a pasty pie. Now these pies, you know, they're not complicated. We're using store-bought ingredients. I've got some cooked ham which I've diced up. I'm using tinned pineapples and we're using mozzarella and cheddar. So with a store-bought buff pastry, this is one of those recipes that just comes together like that and on the table. So this really is beyond easy actually. You know, this is one of those that you can make anywhere. Now, like I say, we're using store-bought buff pastry. So we're going to get that on there. It's a little bit misshapen, not to worry. I'll get another one on there. Now this is one of those recipes you can double scale, do whatever you want with, because it's not limited to an amount of anything. You just put it in. Okay, what we need to do then is we want to just go in the middle of there. We're just a smidgen, little bit of that tomato on the bottom of there. Now don't go all the way to the end because we need to stick these pasties together. So just get that little bit of a tomato flavour in there. Nice and easy. Now I'm using mozzarella and cheddar. So I'm just going to put a little bit of cheddar in there. Going on there with some ham. Now get your ham in, pack it in. You know, we're making these to enjoy. We're not making these to sell and make profit on with nothing in them. Get in what you want to eat. Pack it. Pack it out completely. A little bit of that onion in there. We need a little bit of an oniony flavour going through there. Tiny, tiny, tiny. A little bit of dried oregano. It's so easy, it all comes together. A little bit of pineapple for sweetness. Get that in there. And then we want some mozzarella. We want to try and give it that little bit of a stringy, cheesy bite when we bite into it. Now, do you think there's too much? I do. Okay. Got a little bit of egg wash here. A little bit of egg wash around that edge. That's our glue. A little bit on there. All the way around. And then we're going over with the top. Put your top over. And then all we're going to do is we're going to take our fork and we're just going to crimp down the edges as we go round. And with the next one, crimp it down. Just tuck that in there. Tuck that down there, squash it down, get it squashed in there. And then over the top with some egg wash. Nice and steady over the top of there. Going to give it that golden sheen. In the oven. This is how quick this is. It's so easy. In the oven. Oven on. Right, a conventional oven, you do this about 190 for about 25-30 minutes. I'm using this air fryer oven. We're going to do it 170 for about 25 minutes. On with the toast setting on this oven. Set the time. About 20 minutes. About 20 minutes we'll look at it. Set the temperature 175. Whack start and we're off. That's it. Oh, it's finished. That's it, it's done. Let's have it out. Oh, look at those. Oh, superb. Got a little bit of that melted cheese running out there because we stuffed them so full. Right, we're going to give them 5 minutes. Cool down. We're going to take that out, put it on that rack, cool it down a little bit more, and then we're going to take a bite. They look fantastic. Okay, let's get these pies off here. What are we doing underneath? Look at that, perfectly cooked. Whoa, they're hot. That is too hot, actually. Let's get that pie on there to cool down. Whoa, they look tremendous. Oh, come on. Let's cut into this. Oh. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely superb. That is amazing. Whoa, look at that. That is amazing. All we've got to do now is give it a try. That is fantastic. Stringy mozzarella cheese, puff pastry, pineapple, ham, that tomato, Hawaiian pizza pastry made. Wow, that is amazing. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. We'll catch you in the next video.